So to start off, we're going to need to go ahead and remove this part right here. To do that, we're going to go over to our tools here. We're just going to pull that one out to the side. We're going to go for the skinniest one here. So here we got our skinny one. We're just going to go to the back here. We're just going to stick it in the hole and then push and kind of wiggle. Just like that, and now it is out. Now I'm going to take this over, flip it over here, and then we're going to grab this part right here. You can see this long section right here. We're going to take that, put that right over those two holes, and then you're going to go ahead and grab that big screw and stick that in the big hole. Just like that. Now you want to go over, grab your large tool, and screw it in. So now we're just going to want to go ahead and move these in as much as we can. Grab our small tool here and screw them in so that they're nice and tight. Now we can go ahead and tighten this one as well. Now as you can tell, it's firmly on there, it's not coming off. We're now going to grab this thing right here, and we're going to grab our medium one, and we're going to go ahead and remove this screw here. We're then also going to have to remove the screws up here. Like that. I don't know, this one seems to be a different size. So this tool did not work in that screw, and I think it's supposed to, so that's a problem. But we went ahead and removed that. So now as you can see, it slides apart like that. So we are going to need to go ahead and move that as well. So I'm just going to grab it with some tweezers. Just putting it like gently around it and then kind of pulling it like that. Gets it unstuck. And you can just kind of move it down here somewhere and just leave it like that. So now we got to make sure that this gap goes in between the wire. So we're going to go here. Put it on like that. And then we're going to line it up with the wheels there. Just like that. And now it is on our bow, you can see. So next we're going to go ahead, move our bow down a little bit, and we're going to need to replace this top part here. And you may need to pull this up a little bit and get it to pop back in the right position like that. And then just tighten it up like that. Now we're just going to need those last two screws here. And now we just need to replace that one screw right here as well. Just like that. And now we have a bow that can rapid fire